Alright, we got a tutorial video on how to run this Virnig snowblower here. Alright, first thing we want to do is we want to engage our high flow. So you hold this button down until it illuminates. Alright, to engage the drum, well, next thing we want to do is put it in D mode. So you hold this button down and it'll switch from A to D. Alright, so to engage the auger, we pull this lever back, hold it down, and there's a trigger here. Tap the trigger and that engages the high flow. Now the RPMs, you want the RPMs to go up, you just turn your RPMs here. And you can see as I'm turning it down there, but as you see it turn, I'm raising the RPMs. Let's just stop it at 1920. All right, so on here, to move your chute, the top port up and down. To move, you hit this to the top button here brings it down. The bottom button brings it up. Always put it all the way down and it goes up. To turn your chute, to turn it left, you're gonna hit the top right button. It turns it left. To turn it right, you hit the bottom button. To disengage the PTO, you just tap the trigger. That stops the PTO. If you want to re-engage it, all you got to do is just tap the trigger again. Now, if you get out of the machine, or if you disengage your seat belt, you have to do the process all over again. But there's a tutorial on how to run the hydraulic system and on the snowblower.